Hey, it's Charlie Breeman. Today, I'm very proud to announce Razroo AI. Let's dive right into it. The current issue with AI in the market is that AI isn't perfect. So if I generate my AI code and it's not good, I kind of have to throw it out. I can't use it. So I need some sort of human element there to say, okay, I've generated my AI code. Can you now make it better? Two is that AI isn't aware of what I'm working on. If I'm working on a React component with Tailwind that's very popular now, and I have a certain type of unit test, AI is just going to throw out whatever it thinks that I should generate, or I have to really dictate to AI what it is that I want. So that's issue number two. And number three is that there's no drag and drop for components. With Razroo AI, we will solve all three of these problems. Here comes the demo. So let's say I want to build a user card component. So I go into Razroo search. Razroo tells me, okay, there aren't actually any user cards that humans have made for your React project. Would you like to use AI? Yes, I'll use AI. So it will now use my search user card. It will choose my programming language. Behind the scenes, it keeps my version in mind and some other stuff I have going on in my project. I'm going to choose a React component, and now I'm going to use AI. This takes right now about 20 seconds. We're probably going to bring that down to 10 seconds in the next week or so. But right now, what it's doing is that it's generating all of my AI code for these files. And once that's complete, it will close this dialog and it will now present to me the new files that I am waiting for. So we have about another 5 seconds for this to be generated. Perfect. So now my files have been generated. It's going to generate my instructional content for me. In about another 2 seconds, it's going to generate my relevant questions for my application. Fantastic. So now it tells me what I'm going to do. We are going to create a React user card component that will display user information such as name, profile picture, and other relevant data. This component will be designed to be reusable and customizable, allowing developers to easily integrate into their projects. We will also ensure that the component is optimized for performance accessibility. Perfect. So we have our name, profile picture, bio, avatar, everything here in our SCSS. In our actual name.tsx file, we have our export, we have our user card here with everything that we need, and we have our spec.ts. And if I want to just, figure out a little bit more, I have relevant questions, best practices, it's also generated that for me as well. Okay, fantastic. So now I go into here, it's chosen my folder name automatically, libs user card, Razroo React starter. I've actually hooked up already my Razroo application into my, I've actually hooked up already my Razroo plugin into my React application. We won't demo this here now, but it's a pretty seamless process. Click on the go button, takes about 2 seconds, connects to web application. So now I'm just going to drag and drop this component into my React starter. So it's going to go to libs. And if I were to go here, it would, it's already telling me that it's going to go into libs user card. Okay, fantastic. So let's go ahead and generate this. It's going to tell me that my card has been generated. And now it has just been dragged into my user card. And just like that, I've generated AI and it's aware of my projects and it just dragged everything that I need into my projects just like that. So I'll stop sharing this demo, or actually, let me continue sharing this demo. There's one other thing that I actually want to share. So we've answered problem number 2, which is AI isn't aware of what it's working on. Using the Razroo VS Code plugin, it has all information for my project already ready to go. It's not intrusive. We don't store any of that data, and we just present it on the local storage for this computer. We're going to pass any of that up over to Razroo. No drag and drop for components. We've solved that. Now, number 3, AI isn't perfect. There are going to be times where our AI, even at this point, we're in the relatively early stages of AI, isn't going to be perfect. So you're able to do twofold. One is that you can actually select this and report a bug. And I can say here, for instance, that the name import path is incorrect for this component, which is indeed, this AI did not work as expected. So now I can click bug. and I can report this bug. And what that's going to do